Hey biscuits. Hold on, I'm trying to get you to not fall over on the very precarious place in the tripod that you are at. Oh my lord, how is my bathroom so messy? You know, I can tell you how. Family that likes to make my space messy. Here, do I want to be honest? I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you. That is what is on there. One of my kiddos might have puked on the sink, so I took that as my moment to say I should be cleaning. So that is, wow, they are going through the lemon verbatim soap like nobody's business. Ooh, sorry biscuits. That's what I was worried was gonna happen, so I'm gonna stick you on a tripod. Can you see the, oh, okay, all right, there you go. Oh, as always, you can check out the full uncut version of this one on Patreon. If you want to see some fun burlesque cleaning. Oh yeah. You never have too much fun dressing up. That's my motto. Don't even know what's going on here. Gonna just go with it and put this in our trash. Bada boom. Ooh, ooh. It just keeps looking scarier. Scarier, but I made 11 cents, so you know, that's good. Oh my gosh, okay. This is going to be a small thing that you're going to laugh at me for, but I finally bought toothbrush holders. I've just been using random stuff for years. And so I went to a homeware store and I was just like, I'm just going to buy a toothbrush holder because it makes total sense. I don't know why. Sometimes I'm just a cheapskate in like the weirdest ways. I listened to this finance podcast run by these two dudes. And they have a section that's about, are you being frugal or are you just being cheap? And it was like, the toothbrush holder was just being cheap. This whole bathroom needs a huge clean, and I don't know if I'm going to get to it, but I am going to try. This had highlighter all over it from a location filming I was doing. Filming for my romance novels, and oh my goodness. Wow. I'm kind of shocked at the sheer messiness that it's already gotten to. I'm like, didn't I just, oh, that goes in the trash. Didn't I just clean this? Oh. Sometimes it feels like it's never ending. Which is maybe how cleaning with the family is. Okay, so I'm just using regular hand soap for this. I am not going full kaboom cleaner because I have a really short window where I can get some cleaning done. And I just want to get that done. There's a ton of toothpaste all around. I have the vinegar out to try and help with, oh, that doesn't work. There. Oh no. Oh, well, I see. It doesn't hold. Okay. To try and help with this situation with the sink. Which, let me tell you, not a fun situation to deal with. Oh my goodness. But all things can be cleaned. That's one of my mottos. Sorry biscuits if I had to like put you at a weird angle. I'm in a funny outfit, and I wanted this to be YouTube friendly. Okay, so I'm filling up the sink to help deep clean it with hot water, and then I'm going to give it a good scrub with a little bit of vinegar. And let me bring it in so you can see. So, giving this a good vinegar and soap scrub. This sink just doesn't seem to hold a thing, so I'm going to clean out this while I'm here. Oh yeah, I needed that. Sometimes it's good to just clean where you can, you know. Oh yeah, this totally needed a good clean. Oh, grocers. The last people to live here didn't never clean this out. But sometimes you just have to, when you're living in a new place, give stuff the thorough clean. Okay, now let's see if this will get scrubbed up. It may take an actual scrub brush to finish this. Depends on stuff there. Okay, it's kind of coming off. The vinegar, the acidity in the vinegar does help burn it off. There we go. goodness, biscuits. Can you believe it's November already? This year is crazy. I love November. It's our request only month. So I do all requested videos. And I love doing that because it's something unique. It's a little challenging, you know, to turn other people's requests into my concepts of topics. And so I like that, you know. Okay, this is actually coming up. Thank God. This is one of those messes where this is a good lesson to learn on messes. It looked overwhelming, but really it just needed a couple minutes and some elbow grease. Oh, thank goodness. Oh, okay, biscuits. I know it's about time to get rid of this, but the kids are attached. Oh my goodness. How do things get so messy? I truly don't know. So my first level that I do, my quick tips for homemaking are I do a quick lift up, like everything that just needs to go in the trash. I just toss. Here, come on over with me. Oh, I can feel the crumbs food on the ground. And I'm actually tossing it into a trash bag, so whoop, there you go. But that way I have not a clean slate, but I have an empty slate to then clean. Yes, we've had these balloons up for like a month. We're probably just gonna have them up until Valentine's Day because people love balloons. Oh my goodness. Okay, this has nothing to do with cleaning, but homemaking. I got these cute mugs. Oh yeah, I think they're so much fun. Okay, so I am doing here. Let me set you down, biscuits. There we go. So I'm getting this all ready. Another thing I have to do is to take toys and then put them in the correct destination, which is always harder work than you would think. Okay. This is some presents for folks. These are some other gifts I have out. Ooh la la. Here, biscuits, you come with me. So this I'm gonna put towards the garage so that I remember where to put it. There we go. Set it over there. Take it out. I have like a whole tote that surplus wrapping goes in and stuff. Okay. I'm gonna put this under the Christmas tree. I have not gotten to decorate the Christmas tree or put up the lights yet. And you're probably like, I still have my pumpkins out. I know, I'm a weirdo. I love Christmas. I cannot help myself. It is in my very nature. Okay. And then kids' toys. These are actually sandbox toys, so I don't know why they're inside. I'm just gonna toss them out on the deck. Set them down out on the deck because I'm not gonna walk through the sandbox right now, but it gives me an idea of where things go so that I can remember it. And then I just have a big giant like hamper basket where toys go down here and then it slowly migrates up to whoever's room it belongs to. Okay, so that gives me a better kind of clean slate, which I think is super handy. And then I have a little section for the birthday goodies, like I said. I find it really helpful to just be able to reuse bags and, you know, have a spot for wrapping paper and all that. Although I try to do like more reusable stuff than just wrapping paper. Oh my goodness. How is all this stuff so messy? Ah, party streamers. 'Tis birthday season. October, November. There's a ton of birthdays in the family. So we're like, hunker down and prepare to wrap presents, people. Because it's everybody decided to be born now. Alrighty. So that is looking good. I don't know that I'm quite ready to toss out the gingerbread house because it's a Halloween one, but the kids really like it, so I'm gonna keep it here. Okay. Now, excuse me, biscuits. So there's a lot of debris on here and I don't want to put it in the washing machine. So what I do in those situations are I take either a wet wipe or a wet paper towel and I pile it all up here so I can just toss it. So I'm not like washing rice or bread granules that are going to break my washing machine. As you biscuits know, I like to try and aim for longevity for my appliances, and I gotta treat your appliances right for that to happen. Okay. There we go. And then I have to come in with like an actual cleaning towel and then scrub some of this stuff, because some of this stuff is too ingrained on there. But this way, I'm not putting that in my washing machine. So then I brush it into this puppy. Okay, bada boom. Oh my goodness, biscuits, I almost missed this whole dining bench that is absolutely coated. Oh my gosh. Alrighty, now time for the deep scrubbing. So much better. Alrighty, biscuits, I will see you in the next video. Don't forget, hop on over to our request only Patreon, and I will see you on Instagram for all our fun reels. Love y'all, biscuits.